we will focus our mind and our body as we sit nice and tall, nice and erect with our spine, but also relaxed, as we then gently close our eyes down, feeling the weight of them become too immense for us, and we become focused on our breath and how it moves our body into a state of being of pure peace, pure bliss, and pure happiness. Your breath is your key to life, love, and everything you desire. So we'll tap into our breath right now, in this present moment, as we take a big breath in, big breath out, starting to feel our body and how it connects with the space around us, our feet, and all the energy that our feet take up in space. Breathing as we move up into our knees and all of the area around our knees, even further up our hips and lower back. How much space can you feel being taken up by these parts of your body in space, and feeling the energy of those aspects of your body makes you even more relaxed to this present moment, as we now feel the area around our heart, our beautiful soul, and all that makes us who we are, up into our shoulders and our neck, letting all that tension go, and finally feeling the space within our head and mind, our brain, that allows us to interpret and to feel everything, and all of the energy around our head that makes us become more aware of the moment we're in right now. And as we continue to breathe and become more and more relaxed, our body is a place for peace, for love and joy. And as we continue to breathe, we can start to imagine in our mind's eye a beautiful snowy day out in the woods, potentially out at a prairie or a farm home, looking back at that beautiful building in awe of what good it brings to you and the memories you have from it, turning around, looking at the wonderful wintry path in front of you, feeling the brisk sensation of the air brush in your face and head, seeing snowflakes gently careen down into the ground, adding to that wonderful lush snow. And you begin to take a step down into the snow, hearing the crunch go just below your boots, and you move more and more into the snow, hearing every step you take, feeling that wind, seeing your breath in the air, and look around at the beauty, look around at the trees, look around at the birds who just are leaving to head south for the winter, and say goodbye to them for now, because we'll see them soon in the next season of life. And you continue your walk, becoming more at peace with the trail carved out in front of you. There's not too much snow that it's hard to walk, but there's also just a little bit, just so you still hear that pleasant sound of snow below your feet, looking up at the sun, feeling the gentle warmth on this winter day. You open your arms up to the world and say thank you for what a wonderful, blessed life you have, and what a wonderful, blessed life you are going to have as you become so grateful in this present moment for everything that has led you to this point. And as we continue to breathe, we can imagine coming back to our farm home, to our area of peace and coziness outside of the winter, taking off our boots, going inside, finding our favorite chair to sit down in, feeling the warmth of the fireplace right in front of us, enjoying a nice warm drink, whatever we prefer, as we sit now for the next few moments in peace, enjoying the warmth of the indoor area. Enjoy this moment, and I will see you in a few. As we slowly come back together, imagining all of us now in the same home, enjoying peace together, and remembering this feeling that we've created for ourselves, this feeling of inner peace, complete bliss, remembering that it's always within you. Whenever you need it, you can tap into it with a little bit of time, attention, and focus. Take your final breath in, feeling the energy of life filling your body, and exhaling every single bit of worry, stress, and lack in your life. And whenever you are comfortable and ready, you can slowly open your eyes back to the center of class with no rush. This is your time, but we are all finished for today. Thank you all for coming. Have an awesome rest of the day.